Hello, yet another of my multi-choice questions from the AQA A-level syllabus. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, please pause the video now. If you got the answer A, well done. If you didn't, perhaps you'd like to listen to my explanation. So, a positive charge of 2 times 10 to the minus 4 coulombs is placed in an electric field at a point where the potential is 500 volts. What is the potential energy of the system? Well, potential is equal to the amount of work done or energy per unit charge. So I can rearrange this equation really simply to say that the work done is equal to the potential multiplied by the charge. Well, the potential, we're told, is 500 volts. We're told the charge is 2 times 10 to the minus 4 coulombs. Put those things into my calculator and I get an answer of 0.1 joules, which is 1 times 10 to the minus 1 joules. Nice, simple question. If you enjoyed my explanation, if it was useful, then please subscribe. Please watch more of these in the series. Recommend these to your friends. They're a great way to practice for A-level exams that are coming up. Thank you for watching.